1.
It's 3-1, always. As always. I think we're fine.
I think we'll.
And what is this? What is it? Weather boost with raining?
Rain. So yeah.
Yeah, we're fine. I don't know. Let me turn
This
off the
morning
car.
I saw a Solar Beam Ninetales.
With all goals?
Gyarados.
Oh,
No, with Gyarados with a water boost. It was super easy.
I bet.
I only needed a 3 Gyarados. That's it.
Oh wow, that's crazy. I still haven't done Ninetales.
No, level 3 X are so rare now. It seems like a level 4 everywhere.
Oh really? That's sad.
Okay, let's do this.
There's still a lot of things I gotta do.
Go.
We gotta do this on the first try, guys.
I know. Oscar, stop eating. Oh.
Oscar licking his lips. No.
Oh, see, but that's not that bad. I think we might be able to survive it.
Not a third one. I can only take 2.
Dragon
what is it, Dragon
hurts.
Cell? Yeah, that thing is crazy, man. That thing.
Hurts. But, wow.
Oh, please do Earthquake. Yay.
Yes.
Yeah, I think they'll get 2. They're gonna get hit twice and then that's over.
Yeah.
I don't want to power up any Gyarados because of Kyogre.
I know, no.
Well, I don't want to power Gyarados because I don't have good Gyarados. Hey, that big whale, is he good?
No.
Oh, he sucks. He's just big.
So okay, so what do I say? Whale Lord.
What do I say?
It's like Snorlax, but the defense stat is lower than Snorlax. So it's less tankier.
It's good. Snorlax. It's good in like in a gym system.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if gym system ever becomes good.
It's less than Snorlax. So I'm never going to.
So who's the new ice?
That whale. I mean the seal.
Yeah.
Seal evolves 1 time or 2 times?
2. Walrein.
Is it good?
Walrein is basically like a Lapras. Okay. He has a higher attack stat than Lapras.
But now it's tanky.
But yeah, Lapras is tankier. So.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I was pineappling on them last night.
I know.
That's
why I asked Ty, like, hey, if you see a good one, like Spiel,
yeah,
like,
me
I
too.
really need a good one.
Is Spiel is the seal?
Mm-hmm.
Spiel the seal.
Spiel's gonna turn into Walrein.
How do you evolve it? With 12 candies.
12?
25.
I mean 25 and then 100.
Yeah.
Damn, I might not survive all this.
I don't think so either.
Yeah. So are you guys gonna heal and get back in, or are you gonna do vape?
I still got. Well, let's see. I got like 3 gear.
I mean, we're on schedule.
Yeah.
But totally. I think our DPS my GPS is gonna drop.
So should I heal and get back in?
I mean, we didn't really plan this. We just saw this and thought, hey, let's.
No, I planned this.
I had 0 planning. I just picked all water within.
I'm telling you guys that we need to do this today. It's raining.
I know. It's just my water team sucks. It's just if it was any other team, my team's ready.
Lady's walking without the umbrella and a baby.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back in for sure.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, are you kidding?
But are you gonna heal and get back in, or you're just gonna use a vape?
I probably use whatever it gives me. Or maybe all grass.
I might just heal my.
Yeah, I have an all grass team. I'm just going with all grass. They still do
you
really.
Just heal them and then just jump back in with the switch over to the water team.
Yeah. That's what I thought too.
Nah, because we're not gonna break records. This is to actually just do it.
Well, it's gonna pick. Yeah, I got more Gyarados, I guess. I'll just go in with them.
I'm going to all grass.
But they're not that good.
Can I heal?
Because the reason why I'm going in all grass because.
Well, we're not getting the water boost.
Yeah, well, nah, but it's solar beam, you know.
Wait, did the water go away?
Yeah, I see clear skies back there.
Oh my god! No, but it says still boosted by the weather.
How do you know?
It just showed. The text shows.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, because I see clear skies back there.
Oh.
Oh, we're about to find out.
My. The weather changed.
And it's by 2 hundo eggs. So he for sure is taking it out.
It's okay. My Hondo Gyarados is here.
I mean, mine's getting the boost though.
Yeah, see, it still says waterfall and hydro pump are boosted by the
did
weather.
It? Oh, okay, did.
So it's still raining and it doesn't look like it's raining.
It looks weird.
This is gonna be close.
You think so? Oh shit, it might.
Oh yeah, hydro. It is boosted.
Right?
Oh, it didn't give it to me.
Ooh, but we got this.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, I wanna get it done.
Damn, that's actually really close though. Oof. We could do better. I know we can.
Yeah.
Let me after this event, we'll challenge it again. And this time we'll do it like in 100 seconds.
Yeah. But yay!
Yeah, good job.
There you go.
Oh, I got.
In my head.
He went back to eating.
He looks like he's going to Alaska.
Oh yeah, he's ready. Oscar's ready. Y'all get good ones?
Let's go, roasting my egg.
What the hell?
Crystal.
Oh, you want me to drive catch? What's wrong with you? And you're eating?
Just flick it.
Don't worry, Oscar. I'm just gonna I got this. Don't worry. And I actually want to keep this one. This is our first ever 3-man, right?
I know.
Oh my god. If I don't get it right here, I'm pausing. I hate when it goes long. It's already a long video because it took us the last 10 seconds. Come on. Oh my god, pausing. Yeah, back to filming. I just got it with the banana.
Oh my god.
With the nana berry. I just got it with the banana berry. What I name this 3-man.
15, 13, 96%.
Is that your best one?
No,
Is that spelled
I got
Groudon?
the same one. Yeah, 96%.
Is that spelled Groudon?
Groudon, yeah.
Oh, sweet. Alright. And now back to grinding. No more distractions.